Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing some of the numericals on anti-friction bearings. So the given question is, select suitable single row radial ball bearings to carry a radial load of 1.5 kN and a thrust load of 1.2 kN at 900 rpm. The bearing is to be used 7 hours per day and the average service life of 8 hours is 8 years is desired. Consider the design load for bearing during selection with speed factor, life factor, thrust factor and application factor. And this particular question I have taken from a VTU prescribed textbook, design of machine elements, and author is Bandhari. So as per the given question, the given data, that is radial force, that is 1.5 kilonewton. So 1.5 into 10 to the power of 3, that is 1500 Newton, and axial force 1.2 kilonewton, that is 1200 Newton, and ND speed is 900 rpm. So solution. So assume the bearing works all the days in a year. So average life will be 7 into 356 into 8 years is the service life they have given. So 20,440 hours is nothing but the bearing works in lifetime. And the rating life in hours, that is L10th is equal to average life by 5, which is 4088, which is equal to LD. So the equivalent load FERP is equal to X into V into FR plus Y into FA into KA into KT. So assume inner race factor rotates, V is equal to 1, and assume light shock, that is from the table 24.29, and a load application factor 5. Assume the bearing works in normal temperature, that is KT is equal to 1. So FA divided by V into FR, which is equal to 1200 divided by 1 into 1500, which is equal to 0.8. So from table 24.51 for FA by CR, which is equal to 0.056 and E is equal to 0.26. Since FA by VFR is greater than E, X is equal to 0.56 and Y is equal to 1.71. So therefore equivalent load FERP is equal to 0.56 into 1 into 1500 plus 1.71 into 1200 into 1.5 into 1. So that is 4338 Newton. And required dynamic load rating CR is equal to FR into LD by LR into ND by NR power 1 by M. So where LD is nothing but design life, that is 4088 hours, and M is the exponent, which is equal to 3 for ball bearing, and LR rated life, that is 500 hours, and ND is nothing but design speed, that is 900 rpm, and NR rated speed 33 into 1 power 3 rpm, and FR is nothing but actual radial load, that is required equivalent load P or FE is equal to 4338 Newton. So therefore required dynamic load rating CR is equal to 4338 into 4088 by 500 into 900 divided by 33 into 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 3. So that is 26,741.4 Newton. So selecting a bearing such that CR value must be equal or greater than 26741.4 Newton. So from table 24.60, select 40 BC O2 SKF whose basic static load rating capacity COR equal to 19,000 Newton, and basic dynamic load rating capacity CR is equal to 30,700 Newton. So therefore FA by COR is equal to 1200 divided by 19,000, which is equal to 0.0016. So from table 24.51 we can see FA by VFR is greater than E, therefore X is equal to 0.56. So for 0.056 Y is 1.71 and 0.084 and Y is 1.55. So by interpolation the value of Y at FA by COR equal to 0.06316. So by interpolation, that is Y is equal to 0.06316 minus 0.084 divided by 0.056 minus 0.084 into 1.71 plus 0.06316 minus 0.056 divided by 0.084 minus 0.056 into 1.55. So which is equal to 1.6691. So F is equal to 0.56 into 1 into 1500 plus 1.6691 into 1200 into 1.5 into 1, that is 4264.4 Newton. So the CR value equal to 4264.4 into 4088 by 500 into 900 divided by 33 1 by 3 power 1 by 3. So final answer is 25772.67 Newton. So selecting a bearing such that the CR value must be equal or greater than 25,772.67 Newton. And from the table 24.60 select 40 BC O2 SKF whose basic dynamic load rating CR is equal to 30,700 Newton. So hence the selected bearing is 6208, that is 40 BC 02 SKF, since consecutively two selected bearing numbers are the same. And moving to the next problem, a single row deep groove ball bearing is used to support a shaft of 25 mm diameter in which the axial thrust is 1000 Newton and radial load is 2200 Newton. The shaft runs at 1440 RPM. It is proposed to use SKF 6205 bearing. The expected life of the bearing is to be around 1000 hours. Check the suitability of the bearing. So the given data: D 25 mm, FA 1000 Newton, FR 2200 Newton, ND 1440 RPM, and proposed bearing SKF for 6205 and required life for 1000 hours. So from table 24.60 for SKF 6205 bearing, the basic static load rating capacity COR equal to 7800 Newton and basic dynamic load rating capacity CR is equal to 14,000 Newton. So FA by COR equal to 1000 divided by 7800, which is equal to 0.1282. So from table 24.51 for FA by COR and E, x1 is equal to 0.11, for Y is 0.30 and x2 is equal to 0.17 and y2 0.34. By interpolation, the value of E at FA by COR equal to 0.1282 is E is equal to 0.1282 minus 0.17 divided by 0.11 minus 0.17 into 0.3 plus 0.1282 minus 0.11 divided by 0.17 minus 0.11 into 0.34. So E value is 0.31213. So FA by VFR, which is equal to 1000 by 2200, that is 0.4545. Assume inner rate rotates, that is V is equal to 1. Since FA by VFR is greater than E, from table 24.51, when x is equal to 0.56, x1 0.11 and y1 1.45, x2 0.17 and y2 1.31. By interpolation, the value of y at FA by COR, which is equal to 0.1282 is y is equal to 0.1282 minus 0.17 divided by 0.11 minus 0.17 into 1.45 plus 0.1282 minus 0.11 divided by 0.17 minus 0.11 into 1.31, which is equal to 1.40753. So therefore equivalent load FE/RP equal to x into V into FT plus y into FA into KA into KT. So assume minor shock and bearing works at a normal temperature. KT is equal to 1. So from table 24.29 for a minor shock load application factor, Ka is equal to 1.5, Fe is equal to 0.56 into 1 into 2200 plus 1.40753 into 1000 into 1.5 into 1, that is 3953.3 Newton. Also FE/RP is equal to Ft into Ka into K T, which is equal to 2200 into 1.5 into 1, that is 3300 Newton. So the largest among the above two values is the required Fe. So it is 3953.3 Newton. So the dynamic load rating formula 24.228, while substituting in this equation the rated life by 500 hours and the actual radial load is 3953.3 N, that is a maximum one, and rated speed 33 into 1 by 3 RPM, and CR 14,000 Newton and M exponent 3 for ball bearing. After substituting in this dynamic load rating formula, the design life LD I am getting as 514.15 hours. So as design life is less than the required life, the selected bearing is not suitable. Hence the proposed bearing SKF 6205 is not suitable for the expected life of 1000 hours. Thank you.